Who wants to be right as the rain is better?
So here I am at my aunt's house, watching their dogs, Mac and Smokey. They're pretty good. I mean, Mac's still a puppy. Smokey is he's an adult dog, so I mean he's pretty good. But the catch is I have two brand new puppies with me too. One of which pooped in my car. Yeah, gross. Sick. So that was exciting. Got to clean that up. It was green. That was weird. My aunt's decor in her house kind of cracks me up a little bit because she's got like the mountain cowboy thing going on. So like, see this picture right here? That's a guy on his horse in the woods. Basically the theme of her entire house. So, I mean, I guess you can meet the puppies now. Hello, puppies. Ez is on the left. Kurtz is on the right. My names are Ezri and Curzon. They're pretty cute, but they're kind of annoying. Yeah, you're annoying. Yeah. I just put an entire 3 cups of food in their bowl. And they ate it in 2 minutes. They're kind of psycho. They're cute. And I appreciate their family. Hi, my name's Beverly. I'm from Georgia. So, okay. Crazy. It's been a challenge, and I've had them for all of 2 hours. I have them for 4.5 more. Hello. Shiny shiny dog drool. Yes. They gang up on me. Good. Okay. I'm just letting you in on what my days are like during the summer. Pleasant, quiet little puppies.